beauties, how are you? Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to show you guys step by step a full glam tutorial on this look that I have going on today. Today I was inspired by this new makeup palette from Kat Von D. This is the 10-year anniversary eyeshadow palette and it's absolutely gorgeous. You have some beautiful earthy neutrals. I'm definitely going to be doing a tutorial with warmer colors. You also have some shimmer, some purple, some blues, and some green.
Step number one, the most important step, is an eye primer. I am using Painterly Paint Pot by MAC because it also evens out the skin color on my eyelid, and this is going to prevent creasing. It's also going to make this green eyeshadow a lot more vibrant. So apply and blend all over the eyelid. First color that I'm taking is this color here, which is an olive matte green. And I'm using this as a transitional color onto the crease and the brow bone using a fluffy blending brush, and then using one that's a little bit more dense to pack on the color on the crease. I'm also applying this color on my lower lash line and just go back and forth and blend using a little bit of pigment at a time until you have really nice intense color. Next is this gorgeous, beautiful green. Oh my gosh, when I saw it, I was like, I need to do a look using this color. It's so beautiful. It's like an emerald green. It's vibrant. It's gorgeous. It's, I'm sure, something that you guys don't use on a daily basis, but it's fun to experiment with color. So next I'm going to go in with a pencil brush and apply a darker color on the outer crease. This one has a little bit of shimmer, so it's just going to make it a little bit more fun. And I'm also applying this on the lower lash line and connecting it to the top portion of the outer part of my eye. And then with a fluffy blending brush, nice and clean, I'm just going to go in and buff in the entire color until it's blended. For the inner tear duct, I'm using a gold color. Thought this would be something interesting and different. And I'm just going to pack it in. And then using a facial wipe, I'm just going to wipe away all of the fallout. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply these House of Lashes falsies, which are super dramatic and beautiful. I already have a face primer and a moisturizer on, so moving directly onto my Kat Von D full coverage foundation. I might as well go all out and do full coverage today since I am doing a pretty dramatic look with the eye makeup. So I'm just going to buff it all over my skin, my jawline, and down my neck. So now moving on to contour, I will be using this contour book by Kevyn Aucoin, and I'm also using these really cool new brushes that I found on Amazon. They're a lot like the silicone sponges, which you guys saw all over the internet for a while, but these actually come with a wand. So I thought these would be really cool to apply a contour cream. And I really love this palette from Kevyn Aucoin because the sculpting creams are more gray toned, so they appear to be more shadows, and it's really great for contour, and then you can just go over it with a bronzer. But I'm blending all of this out with a beauty blender just like this, and then I'm moving on to the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, which is in medium light, and this is going to brighten up under my eyes and just make the center of my face a little bit more illuminated. I'm going to mist a beauty blender with Pixi Beauty's Glow Mist to make the blending a lot more flawless. And then I'm going to set all of this with a translucent powder from Kat Von D also, just a little bit under the eyes and then whatever is left all over the face. Next, with an angled brush, I'm going to go directly into the sculpting powder just to give myself a little bit more depth and definition, especially on those cheekbones. And then I'm going to set all of this in place with this absolutely amazing setting spray by Iconic London. It has a glow, and I'm just going to fan myself and give me a beautiful glow with it. It's just one of my favorites. And then I'm going to do some highlight using this new highlighter by Kat Von D. Absolutely amazing. It looks white on the compact, but when it goes onto the skin, it's actually gold. It's so, like, it's one of my favorites right now, guys. And I'm just going to apply this right on top of my cheekbones to give me a little bit more of a glow. And I'm just going to finish off my eye makeup by applying a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes and some liner on the top. Now for the lip color, I'm actually using this one from Dose of Colors. It's called Undressed, and it's the perfect nude with this look. I tried a pink tone, I tried a red, I tried a coral, and this is the one that looks the best with this eye makeup. Just because it's so much on the eyes, you want to keep the rest of the face pretty neutral and subtle. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed a new makeup tutorial. I absolutely missed doing these for you guys. Thumb it up if you want to see more makeup tutorials, or if you have any look in particular that you want me to do, I would be more than happy to do so. So thank you for watching, guys. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video.